game. It's the game broke us up. After the game, it was like, fuck it.
They didn't bring that. I'll go in there and be like, look on my That's why we're supposed to be sitting here. What? What do I do?
Get out of here.
To who? The fire hose me. Tired of me. You mean I try and pay you?
I was thinking about it. I was like, is it worth the hassle? But thank you.
Is it worth the hassle? Mama, hands like away. They feel like fish too.
That is true. You weren't having fish with your hands. These are consequences.
Yeah, I think that's what you said. This was the view. Was that
Not gonna lie.
one more beer?
I think that's them right here.
On the count of three, hi, Mr. Miller. One, two, three.
The Millers!
That's scary.
The Millers!
Hey, you guys know
The Millers!
They had eggs. One time they had chicken for eggs. One time Mr. Miller went, or Mrs. Miller went down. It was Connor. I don't know. Connor went
You
down.
had fish.
It sounds like such like a major return. Mr. Miller went down. Mrs. Miller got off her purchase. She pulled the lamp wick.
Nothing, Mom.
Was he eating chickens or eggs?
He ate the egg. So fat.
Oh, did he?
He ate the whole chicken. It was so fat, it was laying there. And Connor was trying to poke it, and it was like, they ate the whole chicken.
Okay, y'all, be careful if you try and pee in the water. Be careful.
Do they have that fish that swims up
Yeah,
your...
you can get disease from peeing in the lakes.
You mean lady females can?
No, boys.
Boy.
That's
Yeah.
only in specific rivers. There are parasites that would go.
Yeah, but you don't know what also parasites are in here.
Anus?
Don't
Yeah.
talk about peeing in the river.
You don't think this water is clean?
It is, but you just have to be careful because different bacteria.
How exactly do you be careful in this situation? Either you're gonna pee and risk it or you're not.
I know, next subject.
How do you die from peeing?
Oh man.
So I can't pee.
Lydia, you look mad. Shit laid down. Yeah.